Okay, alright, back. Yeah, say we load a John again. So I'm trying to Bari is Shangani and Tsonga the same. So my Tingkar. I found.
Hello world, Avshe ni Inhlika ni Riperile. Once again, depending on the time at which you are watching this video, one of those three will be applicable to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. And a million thanks to everyone who have subscribed. We have forwarded the link to everyone you think would benefit. We have been commenting and also liking the videos that I've uploaded so far. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, hitting the notification button as well, forwarding the link to anyone you think will benefit by being part of this channel. So this is the very first video I'm doing on Tsonga lessons, and I thought of starting by sharing with you 5 historical facts about the Tsonga people. Of course, one can share more than 5 historical facts, but I just chose this one to make this video as short as possible. The history of the Tsonga people is very rich. It will take us hours and hours to go through in detail about the history of the Tsonga people.
Yes, sir.
So let's get to it.
Alright.
So, historical fact number 1. The Tsonga people are an ethnic group made of dispersed independent clans around southeastern parts of Africa. They descend from Tonga, Chopi, Tswa, Kalanga, and Ronga.
Alright, so but the question about Ekuri, like Tonga, which I know. So meaning the question about Ekuri, this Shitsonga or Tsonga, I don't know.
They have been migrating in and out of South Africa for more than 1,000 years. Their origins can be traced to the eastern and central parts of Africa.
Okay.
Fact number 2. Early clans of Tsonga can be traced as far as 697 AD.
Oof.
Yes, 697 AD. In fact, other texts suggest that they can be traced as far as 200 AD. Fact number 3. The Tsonga people do not follow the traditional system of a central king or a queen. That is why, unlike other tribes in South Africa, the Tsonga people do not have a central king or a queen. In fact, they subscribe to this notion where in Xitsonga they will say, Bukosi Ajipeli Nam. Loosely translated, kingship does not cross a river or a territorial boundary. So they will have groups of clans with their main chief dealing with affairs of that particular group. Historical fact number 4. The Tsonga language developed from 5 main language groups. Namely Xitonga, Xironga, Xitswa, Xitembe, and Xitsonga.
Alright, so kuna un'wanyana n'wi tivaka kule Mozambique, a ni karhi ku sister around, yena umuntshwa so loko karhi vulavula wa na n'wi swa ku tala, like most of the stuff na n'wi but kuna leswi u kuma nkarhi wun'wana va tirhisa marito lama hina hi nga ma tirhiseki tanihi Xitsonga. So that's top. So 5.
There are many sub-dialects of these languages ranging from minor to major variations, with most speakers found in Zambia, Mozambique, South Africa, Zimbabwe, as well as Swaziland. And in South Africa, of course, most of them are found in the Limpopo province, Gauteng, Northwest, KwaZulu-Natal, and Mpumalanga. And of course, some of us outliers found in the Western Cape. Historical fact number 5. Shangaan and Tsonga are not the same. Shangaan is a clan of Tsonga. So all Shangaans are Tsongas, but not all Tsongas are Shangaan. That is.
Hold on a second. All Shangaan are Tsongas, but not all. What's going on?
All Tsongas are Shangaan. That is why in 2012, Chief Shangans are Tsongas, but not all Tsongas are Shangaan.
Wow.
That is why in 2012, Chief Eric Pisani's application to be crowned King of Vatsonga was dismissed at the High Court of South Africa in Pretoria.
Okay.
Chief Eric Pisan is a direct descendant of Soshangaan, where the word Shangaan is derived from. And the argument used against him was very simple. It was that at no point was any of his grandfathers chief or king over all the Vatsonga clans.
Oh, okay.
So, Shangaan and Tsonga are not the same.
Part 2 Xitsonga.
Okay, so we now move to learning basics of greeting in Xitsonga. But I want to make two remarks first before we dive into
actually video lewa ayindlelwa ngoku specifically vanhu vo ka va nga ri Matsonga or Machangana. So I mean, yeah, that's why I address Xilungu. So but I think even I know Matsonga, we deserve at least to I mean Matsonga Machangana, we deserve at least to know more like cash up the difference, because very like in South Africa we have talk Machangana, but at least now bakota ku switisa ku swilo as fun in level. So yeah,
the first remark is that the Xitsonga language uses all the 26 letters of the alphabet. At the end of this video, I read out to you how to pronounce those words. The second remark is the Xitsonga language makes a distinction when someone is addressing someone older than them or...
Alright, so I think video later kai khatala. The reason why I go anlava ku tiva ngopfu ku Xitsonga and Shangaan, is it like the same? Yeah, so I think yeah, that's it. So because I think all I could do is especially when I go on Matsonga or cash up but short and and all this kind of thing. So yeah, I think yeah, best if I'm saying that. So yeah, anyway guys, if you want to check the similar videos the video for later, and then just let me know, got comment or mngani email ikona kwala ka YouTube ngaka about, and then come kuma email yami kwala, then just send the link. Yeah, and then so na Kansas name. Next time just got the next video direct ka video in Mozambique, just to know more about Mozambique. So from me, I'm TJ. Anyway, danko. Bye bye.